If you are paying over $160 every month for ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney, and GitHub Copilot, your Mac can replace all of them today for $0. Here is the complete step-by-step blueprint to cancel your subscriptions and run every AI tool locally on Apple Silicon.
We start by optimizing macOS memory. By default, the system caps GPU access to 66% of RAM. Running this kernel command instantly unlocks up to 85% of your unified memory for large models, making 32 billion parameter networks run effortlessly.
Next, install Ollama directly on macOS rather than inside Docker to ensure full metal GPU acceleration. A single command pulls QN 14 billion, giving your Mac a private intelligence engine that matches frontier models on daily tasks without sending a single byte online.
To replace the ChatGPT interface, we launch Open WebUI in Docker mapped to our host gateway. You get a full-featured web dashboard with chat history, multi-model switching, and voice input, completely accessible across your local network.
For image generation, DrawThings replaces Midjourney using native metal flash attention shaders. Running FLUX.1 generates ultra-detailed photorealistic images in under 4 seconds, producing over 13,000 pictures for just $1 of electricity.
To replace Claude's document analysis, AnythingLLM creates an encrypted local knowledge vault. Drag and drop private contracts or financial spreadsheets and query them with exact page citations while guaranteeing your sensitive records never leave your drive.
For coding, install the Continue extension in VS Code connected to Q1 Coder. You get sub-20 millisecond tab autocomplete and end-line refactoring that matches GPT-4o on standard coding benchmarks, with total intellectual property privacy.
Replace cloud transcription services with metal-accelerated Whisper.cpp. Combined with black hole virtual audio, your Mac transcribes hours of meeting audio at 10 times real-time speed using the exact same model weights as OpenAI's paid API.
For voice generation, Kokoro 82 million parameters runs on your Mac CPU, ranking second in the world on the TTS Arena right behind ElevenLabs. Generate studio-grade voiceovers with 0 character limits and 0 subscription fees.
Replace Zapier with self-hosted N8N. Connect visual trigger nodes directly to your local Ollama instance to automatically summarize incoming emails, process invoices, and manage tasks with unlimited free workflow executions.
Replace Perplexity with SearXNG, a private meta-search engine that strips ads and trackers across 70 search providers. Open WebUI automatically fetches real-time web results and synthesizes answers with clickable source footnotes.
With Tailscale, your private AI cloud is accessible securely from your iPhone anywhere in the world. Over 5 years, this local stack saves nearly $10,000 in subscriptions while giving you complete data sovereignty and unlimited intelligence.